And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz gold level choreography with count. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold, dance preparation step, and continue with overturn running spin turn, which is natural turn with pivot and then open natural turn. We dance overturned version and continue with whisk and quick wing. From wing position we dance quick open reverse turn and progressive chasse. Here from closed position we dance running cross chasse, ended in promenade position, then open natural turn and hesitation ending. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. We take close hold, we dance preparation step and move diagonally to wall. In same direction we continue with overturn running spin turn first bar, second bar we dance down line of dance, then whisk backing the wall and quick wing. We continue with quick open reverse, moving diagonally to center, then progressive chasse down line of dance. From here we move diagonally to wall with running cross chasse and in same direction open natural turn, and we finish with hesitation ending into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.